morning everyone. I'm here at St. Joseph Church here in Cebu City, Colon. This is my second time to come here, and last time nganing ari ko I was 17 years old. Dalaga pa. Ipangayo gayud na ako ni St. Joseph ang kalampusan sa ako.